I really hope that you who are watching this video right now, that you aren't the guy that I played my Face It match with and you were trolling and you threw the game so hard that even the bot would be better than you. I really hope it's not you. Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present a few ways how we can make money with CSGO and what are some effective ways. I'm going to start with the one that I actually recommend for you to do, and then I'm going to show you like every single one of those ways how we can make money. Now, the first way, let's go back to our small screen, small me. What you can do is actually start creating content about on YouTube. So this is the first way how you can actually make money. Yes, you can say there is so much competition, so many people already did video how to throw Mirage CT smoke, but I mean there is always new ways you can make. Like, let me show you a few ways how we can make money with CSGO. Is that there is like the channel called Matt, right? You come here, Matt, say CSGO, and this guy, what he's doing is when there is going to be a live stream, he always like make a highlights of the game. And when you come here to the Social Blade and you look on his results, 3 million views, he just makes like 3 to 6k a month just from these videos. That's why people say like, oh my god, Matt, how he can make those videos so damn fast? Only because that's all what he's doing. Maybe he got the employee, I don't know. But if I would be paying 3 to 6k just like cutting the video of a professional game, it's easy. And then he got also sponsors here, right? So when he's showing the video, he got like sponsors sponsoring his content, but his videos are good. So he's really preparing really well. But this is the first way how we can make actually money to create YouTube content, YouTube videos. And if you want to go this way, there is a link down below in the description for mini course, which you can get completely for free and learn what you should focus on YouTube. So first way, creating highlights, best moments, best tips and tricks from CSGO top players, and just creating videos. The funny thing is that you don't have to actually use a camera like right now I'm using. You don't have to actually create YouTube. I mean, like mainly even you don't even have to have a mic, right? Like he's not using mic, he's just cutting the content. So this is something that you can definitely do, and he's got really good results. But when you want to create videos like this, you have to be first. So this is the first way how we can make money. Then the second way how we can make money, if you would go here to CSGO market. So I can come here and go to community market, and I could sell and buy various things. Like when I go here and write butterfly knife, like this knife, let me look on the prices here, right? Lifetime, look at this. It costed in October, what was this? I don't even know the price. This is December, what? I don't know, whatever. So one by month, no, I want a lifetime. You see that how it grew. So you can buy and sell various things. Like you can get the knives, the butterfly, etc. from the boxes. I think that's how it is. So, or they're not selling those boxes or something like that. Therefore, those prices are so damn high, and every single butterfly knife is really high. So this is something that you can do, buy and sell various things. I'm not really doing it only because I don't like buying and selling. What you can do also is CSGO bet for betting sites. That's another thing what you can do, right? CSGO Empire, CSGO Roll. My recommendation, if you want to use those, definitely read reviews. Ways like, okay, you see that plenty of people are match betting, CSGO, and you can actually bet for various matches, but definitely read some reviews if it's actually worth it. Astralis Talent, and that's something you can do. So actually bet, and then what you can do is not just like sell on CSGO Empire, etc. What you can do is actually sell skins from your account on Steam, and you would sell them for much more on the sites many times comparing to on a Steam account. So you can like easily come here and you can trade with other people, or you can sell with other people. So let's say you would have a knife and you won't even find him in CSGO, like here, only because you can sell it actually for the money, right? So you're gonna sell something and you can sell it for money and then withdraw the money to your PayPal account. Because many times when you're gonna have like on a Steam wallet, let's say that you have like 3K on the Steam wallet, what you can do is just buy games for other people and they will just send you money. That's something you can do. Or what you can do is actually when you're gonna have the account and you're gonna have the knife, you're gonna hold like CS money here or like sites to similar to those, and then just like put the item here and they're good to go. You're gonna sell it here. So that's something you can definitely do. Then you have things like you can open the boxes. I don't really recommend the opening boxes, only because they're like videos. CSGO. And I don't really like watching these kind of videos, only because they're like 1%, like 0.2%. There was a video that a guy was opening it and he was showing stats that is not even worth it at all. No, these are the bad videos. But this is the content that you can create too. Like this guy, look what he's doing. And he's not really creating videos about like himself. What he's doing is just making of others how they're opening the boxes. And look at this, he got 6 million views. How much is that, right? It's like 10k, and then he got like CSGO stash, whatever. Best bunny hop moments, best knife openings of February. You can go like best knife openings. What is this? January, February, March, April. And you see right here, March, and we don't have April right now here. But no one did April 2021, no one. So you can just go and see. And what you can do, like cool skins for everyone. And this is like he's going to get like money with it, right? If you're gonna buy, get like 5% and you're gonna make money that way. So this is another way how we can make money. My recommendation is just go with YouTube videos. That's a good way how we can actually earn some good living. And that's what I would definitely do. But this is also another thing that you can do, right? Check case. But this is pretty much it, how we can do it. And what you can do and how we can make money. If this video was useful, guys, you can support me and subscribe. I hope this video gave you at least some kind of value, what you can start and how you can start making money with. I just have like tutorials on YouTube about CSGO, so that's what I do. I created over 6 channels right now and I generate about like 10k monthly in profit. So if you want to go with the YouTube way, I can help you with that. And just creating various content, it's a good way, like with the mats or best knife openings. You just download and just get videos from other people. And look, you get like sponsored intro here. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching. I hope you're going to have a great day, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.